Welcome to Ideas XS. Please like and subscribe to see our upcoming video ideas.
Am I the only one that didn't know the secret to a healthier smile?
You need to watch this if you struggle with flossing. It's time to understand the biology behind it. When you floss, you're not just removing food particles. You're actually disrupting the sticky biofilm of bacteria that forms between your teeth. Left undisturbed, this biofilm can lead to plaque, which can cause gum disease. Gum disease allows harmful bacteria to enter your bloodstream, potentially leading to heart disease, diabetes, and even stroke. But here's the good news: flossing daily helps prevent all that. By breaking up biofilm, you keep your gums healthy and strong, reducing inflammation and bleeding. In short, flossing is like giving your mouth a mini spa treatment every day. So next time you think about skipping it, remember, flossing is your superpower for a healthier you. Keep smiling. And don't forget to like and subscribe to see our upcoming video ideas.